Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by checking gear and positioning. Equip a fast swap primary and a high damage secondary. Once done, move to the Kraken lair and wait for the night cycle because spawn odds increase. Make sure to assign roles. You handle adds, a teammate draws tentacle aggro, and another focuses core damage. You do this to reduce downtime and prevent enrages, which ruin drop chances. Keep 2 healing items handy, and confirm everyone knows the pulse signal before you engage. Once the fight begins, prioritize tentacles and interrupt any charge slam because those break formations and waste time. You should apply crowd control to summoned adds so your damage windows stay clean. This is why you save burst for the exposed chrome phase. Make sure to rotate shields so one player is always ready during shockwaves, and time 0. 5-second invul abilities to soak the heavy hits. You do all this to create a long, uninterrupted damage window for the chrome weapon drop roll. You finish by coordinating a synchronized burst the moment the core exposes, because timing increases the drop probability. Aim for 80% accuracy and prioritize headshots. Once the core dies, loot immediately and check inventory for the chrome weapon icon, equip it or send it to bank. If you don't get a drop, don't panic. Reset the lair, swap one team member to alter drop tables, and reroll with the same refined tactic. One key troubleshooting tip: always clear stash space before loot to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.